Good morning students. In previous video we discussed about the taxonomic hierarchy and in this video let us see with examples, some examples. So here I have taken organisms with taxonomic categories. Taxonomic category means that is a taxon, as you know, that is taxon. Okay. See there are number of taxon from smallest taxon, what we call species. Okay, it's the lowest or smallest taxon, that is species. Next there is a genus, family. Next higher level are order, class, phylum and kingdom. Okay. Next I have taken some examples here, that is common name, man, housefly, mango, wheat. Okay. Next the respective biological names, that means scientific name. Okay, this is the scientific name here, man. Homo sapien is the scientific name or the biological name of man, and genus is Homo, and family name is Hominidae. What do you call? Hominidae. Okay. Next the order is Primata. What do you call? Primata. And next class Mammalia. Means all mammals will come here. Okay. Next the phylum Chordata, and as usual kingdom is Animalia. This is a higher taxon kingdom, that is all animals comes under Animalia. Okay. So one more example we have taken here, that is housefly. See, most common insect, as you know. Okay. So in your home, that is why we call it as housefly. So Musca domestica, what you call? The scientific name of the housefly is Musca domestica. Musca domestica is the scientific name of housefly. You should remember these examples. And next the genus name is Musca. Okay, as it is the part of biological name, Musca is the genus of that housefly. Next the family Mucidae, what you call? Mucidae. Okay. Next Diptera, order Diptera, class Insecta, and next phylum is Arthropoda, which shows jointed legs, as you know. Okay. So Arthropoda. Okay. Next even the details we will discuss in the animal kingdom. Okay. Next as well kingdom is Animalia. Okay. That means these two are comes under animal kingdom, Chordata and Arthropoda. Okay. So next you go for these are the two examples what I have taken for animals. Okay. Next two examples we will go to the plants. See, mango, one of the familiar plant, mango, Mangifera indica. See, Mangifera indica is the scientific name or botanical name or biological name you can consider. So that is the name of mango. Okay. Next genus is Mangifera and the family name is Anacardiaceae. What do you call? Anacardiaceae. See, Anacardiaceae is a single term. So usually in family of most of the cases we can see the common thing here, that is what you call suffix. You can observe the suffix here, ACA. This is the suffix you can observe. Suffix is common here, ACA. By that also you can identify this is a family name. Okay. So here the mango family is Anacardiaceae. What do you call? Anacardiaceae. Next order is Cephadales. What do you call? Cephadales. And next class Dicotyledonnae. Dicot and monocot, as you know. So the mango belongs to Dicotyledonnae. The specific character is there for this every what you call the taxon. There are some specific features we can notice. Okay. So dicotyledonnae means usually two cotyledons are present, dicotyledonnae. Okay. Next phylum, here we will not refer it as phylum, In case of plants, what we call division. What you call division. So the division angiospermae. What you call division angiospermae. Okay. So that in plants division we should refer. In animals we should refer it as this rank is called below that what we call kingdom. Below the kingdom there should be a phylum. Okay. So this here instead of phylum in plants we use the division, that is angiospermae. Next, as you know, kingdom is plantae. Okay. So one more example I will take here, that is wheat. Okay. Wheat, triticum aestivum. What do you say? Triticum. This is the triticum aestivum is the scientific name of wheat, and triticum is the genus, aestivum is the species. Okay. Species we will not refer separately. Okay. So we should write the name species with genus only. Okay. So that's why I have not taken here species. So species is aestivum and genus is triticum. Understood? Next, the family is Poaceae. What do you call? Poaceae. Poaceae. Next, Poales. Poales. Here also we can identify some suffix letters here. Else. Here also ales. Else. Ales. Ales. Okay. So in order of some group, that is what you call in plants, order can be noticed. Order names can be noticed by this suffix. Okay. So we can predict if there is a ales is there, that must be a order name. Okay. If ACA is there, so that is the name of family. Understood? In this way also we can predict it. Okay. Next, the class of this what you call aestivum, triticum aestivum, that means wheat. The wheat class is Monocotyledone. As you know, monocotyledons. Monocotyledone is the class name. So single cotyledon is present, like you can take jawar, jia maize. Okay. So and the wheat. So this is also one of the important crop, as you know. Okay. Next, the division is here. The division name of this wheat is angiospermae. This is also angiosperm. Angiosperm means usually the seeds are coated. Seed is covered with a coating. Okay. Next, as usual, as you know, the kingdom plantae. This both are belongs to plantae kingdom. Okay. And you should remember this chart with examples and their what you call taxonomic hierarchy. What you call. Okay. Different ranks are there here, that is genus, family, order, class, phylum or division, kingdom. Okay. So at least 4 examples you should remember, because in NCERT it is given, and based on this some questions are framed in the for your NEET examination. Okay. On this chart only some questions are framing. Okay. And one more important thing you should remember here, as we go from species to kingdom, very important, species to kingdom, when you are read from species to kingdom. Okay. Or you can taxonomical hierarchy, as you know, that is first it starts with the species, next genus, next after genus there should be a family, next order, after that class, next to that class phylum, next kingdom. So this line in order wise you should remember it. It's very important. Based on this line only the question can be framed. Okay. Which of the following arrangement is right or wrong? Like they are exchanging. Order is given this side and the family is given that side. if they are exchanging or shuffling this, okay, if they are shuffled this, they will make 4 options, which of the following is correct line hierarchy or what you call taxonomic hierarchy. Okay, such questions may be asked in NEET. Okay, so that's why you should remember this species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, kingdom. Okay, in case of plants, usually division also we referred instead of phylum here. That's why this line is also very important. Note it, as we go from species to kingdom, from species to kingdom. So what happens here? The usually what you call the similarities are decreasing. Here similarities are more. Species, genus becomes less. When you come to the family, that's become less. And when you go to the kingdom, entirely different. We cannot match. Okay, that means there are more differences are that's why what we call or similarities decreases. Similarities means number of common characters, number of similarities are goes on decreasing when you move towards the kingdom. Understood? So see the species, the more similarities are there. Homo sapien, all sapiens shows the maximum what you call 99% we can say the characteristics are similar. Okay, some dissimilarities are also there morphologically or usually morphological characters may be changed. Okay, some what you call most maximum characteristics are similar. Okay, that's what here the sentence you should understand. The similarities or decreases when we move towards the species to kingdom. Understood? So even here, for example, housefly and man are comes under same kingdom, that is Animalia. All animals are comes under kingdom Animalia only. But when you see phylum Arthropoda, jointed legs are there here. Chordata, presence of backbone. Okay, so here there is no backbone. Entirely changes, dissimilarities are more here. That's why dissimilarities means differences are increases. When you go from species to kingdom, differences are increases, similarities are decreases. This sentence is also very important. You should remember it because based on this sentence also some questions are framed. Okay, in the NEET level examination. Understood? So that's why I am saying here, see the similarities, otherwise they can also refer number of common characters, what you call number of common characters. Number of common characteristics or features, or also called features, common features. Okay, the characteristics or features, so whatever they may use the word. Okay, but the similarities or common characters, number of common characters are decreases, very important, decreases. Okay, or what you say, or number of dissimilarities, what you call differences, are increased. What you call? So number of dissimilarities or differences are increases. Dissimilarities are increased. No, here when you go to higher ranks, when you go towards higher rank, when you are observing, when you are differentiating chordata and arthropoda, so there are many differences which we observe. Many differences. See, chordata has backbone. There is no backbone. Okay, it has jointed legs. Understood? In this way we can differentiate more. Differences become more and similarities become less. When you come this side, so what happens here? Similarities are more. In species, similarities are more. Okay, similarities are when we observe the species, similarities are more. Species. Okay, so you can remember how the questions are framed. Let us we see that also. Okay, students, see here, I have chosen two questions here. So, in the first question, in a taxonomic hierarchy, genus is interpolated between, means where it comes, the place of genus comes in which. See, options are here: kingdom and class, phylum and order. Okay, phylum and order. Option C, order and species, and option D, family and species. So, if you know the order wise or sequence wise that taxonomical hierarchy from species to species, genus, next family, order, class, next phylum, next kingdom. Understood? So, this sequence if you know, species to genus, genus to family, next order, next class, next phylum, next there is a kingdom. In this way sequence if you remembered, so these are not a tough questions, very simple questions. Okay. So, now definitely you can identify genus where it comes, in between species and family, is it right? Species and species, genus and family. Okay. So, here what is the question? Taxonomic hierarchy, in a taxonomic hierarchy, genus is interpolated where it comes from. Okay, that means where it comes. Okay, interpolated between. So, that should be in between, yes, family and species, no, that otherwise species and family. In this in these two taxa there is a genus. Understood? So, genus is present between comes under, so that is species and family or family and species, whatever you can take. So, here option is, you can immediately identify family and species, here family is there, here species is there, in between genus will be come. Okay. So, there is a option D is right here. So, order and species, you can see order and species. Okay. Phylum and order, no, in phylum and order which one will come? Class. Phylum and order, class will come. Kingdom and class, phylum will come. Okay, in this way we can predict the answer. Understood? So, next question is there, very simple question, that is also the taxonomic category below the level of a family. Family is the higher level taxon, and below this which one will come? Below this family kinta unche. Okay. So, below this which will come? Below this the same line is applicable. Below family genus is there, then answer will be genus, no need to read. Okay. So, above means actually above family order is there, below family genus will be there. If we should notice this, whether below or above, we should identify it, very important. Even sometimes ascending, descending orders also given. Ascending means species to kingdom, descending means kingdom to species. This is the ascending order, this is the descending order, descending order, ascending order. That type of words also used in while framing the questions. Okay. So, such simple questions I have given here. Okay. Try to solve different this one, and remember this hierarchical sequence. Okay. This is important, and even they will give directly name of family, phylum, like which of the following is right for this example. So, in this way they are going to frame the questions for NCR in NCRT and even what you call the main examination. Okay. So, remaining we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.